everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can apply for sales tax permit in Texas. So for that, you have to open up a browser. Then on a web address bar, type in www. So you have to go to this link that is comptroller.texas.gov/taxes permit. This is going to take you to their official page. So while you're on this page, go to this link that is apply for permit visa e-system. And when you press on this link, that's gonna direct you to the next field where you have to start with the registration process. So for the registration, you have to go ahead and enter in your password and then your user ID, or you have not created your profile, then click on create profile. So over here, you need to go ahead and qualify all of these steps. That is, first thing, you have to provide user information. Moving on, you have to go with the security question and terms of use and the email verification. Once you've done with that procedure, then you will actually be taken to the registration page of your tax. So you could go ahead and read all of that and accordingly follow the prompt, and that's how you can apply for a sales tax permit in Texas. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.